Oh.
Oh, he wants to play.
On the other side of the ball, Dan, the San Francisco offense is different than the last time they played because of Colin Kaepernick and what he brings. The read option, it's dynamic. If you want to take away the running game and convert in the quarterback, now it's such a factor. But it still comes down to decision making by the quarterback, great blocking down the field by the wide receiver. And Ray looks better put on his fancy
And then there was one.
keep the ball. Atlanta tried to bring
Good
their
girl,
hands up
Polly.
the field.